Today we're going to look at this question. A metal block weighing 350 grams and having an initial temperature of 70.2 degrees Celsius is placed into 100 grams of water at 22.5 degrees Celsius. The temperature at thermal equilibrium is 42 degrees Celsius. Calculate the specific heat of the unidentified metal. So to solve this question, you're going to set the two heats of transfer, one for the metal and one for the water, equal to each other, making the heat of transfer of water negative. This is due to the law of conservation. So how that will look is like this: 350 grams times the specific heat of the metal block, which we're trying to find, times the change in temperature of the metal block. So the metal block started at 70.2 degrees Celsius and ended up being 42 degrees Celsius. So it's going to be 42.0 minus 70.2. Okay, and then that will be set to the heat transfer of the water, but it's going to be at negative. And so that will look like 100 grams of water times the specific heat of water, which is 4.184 joules per gram degree Celsius, times the change in temperature of water, which was, it went from, well, it ended at 42 degrees Celsius and started at 22.5 degrees Celsius. And so doing the calculations for this, 42 minus 70.2 equals negative 28. So 350 grams times the specific heat of the unidentified metal times negative 28.2 equals, we can cancel the units for the water, so you can cancel grams, you can cancel Celsius, which is going to leave us in joules, and that ends up being negative 8,158.8 joules. So now we just need to multiply the grams by the degrees Celsius. For the metal, it's going to end up being negative 9,870 grams Celsius times the specific heat of the unidentified metal. All we need to do now is just divide both sides by negative 9,870, and that will give us our specific heat of the unidentified metal. And that ends up being 0.8266 joules per gram degree Celsius. And that's it. That's how you do this question. If you have any questions, email me. If you see anything wrong I've done in my past videos or in this video, email me. Let me know. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.